Hey awesome people! Welcome back to the Kamotech channel. It's your buddy Kamotech, and today we're diving into a super important topic that everyone, especially you amazing kids out there, needs to know about. Internet safety and cybersecurity. Yeah, we're putting on our digital superhero capes today. So, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get started. Alright kiddos, imagine you're putting on this cool superhero cape. Why? Because today we're becoming cyber heroes. We're going to learn how to keep ourselves safe and secure in the vast digital universe. So buckle up and let's embark on this adventure together. First up on our cyber hero journey is a mighty password power. Imagine your password as your secret code to enter your digital fortress. But hey, not all passwords are created equal. We need strong ones. So grab your shield and let's create unbreakable passwords together. Remember, mix it up with uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and throw in some special characters. And please, don't use password 123. That's like leaving the front door wide open for digital villains. Next on our cyber hero list is spotting sneaky fishermen. No, not the ones with fishing rods, but the digital kind fishermen. They try to trick you into giving away your secrets. Let's learn how to recognize their tricks and dodge their nets. Look out for suspicious emails asking for personal info or clicking on strange links. If it smells fishy, it probably is. Be like a ninja, swift and vigilant. As we navigate the digital realm, let's talk about online etiquette. Just like we use please and thank you in real life, we have to be polite online too. Treat others how you want to be treated. And remember, there's a real person behind every screen. Be a cyber hero by spreading kindness and positivity online. We're building a community of awesome digital citizens here. Alright cyber heroes, that's a wrap for today's adventure. We've covered password power, how to spot sneaky fishermen, and the importance of online etiquette. Now go out there and be the awesome, safe, and secure digital superheroes that you are. Smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic adventures. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure, and keep being awesome.